Hello guys, today I'm going to be opening up Everskies and I'm going to be showing y'all, well it's already open, but I'm going to be showing y'all how to make custom form signatures. So what you're going to want to do is open up Pixlr. You can just go to pixlr.com. I don't even download it on my computer because I don't feel like that's necessary. The website works fine. And then you're going to want to set your dimensions to 1920. It should already be at that. And then your height is going to be 192. And then name it whatever you want. Then we're going to go on Pinterest and find some background, whatever background you want to use. I've been loving like this magazine type wallpaper background. So I've been creating that type of background for my form signatures. I feel like it looks really aesthetic and cute. Then I'm just fixing the sizing and then merging them so they're all together. And I'm going to do a couple just so I can show y'all different ones. And like I said, you can use whatever wallpaper background you want to use. It's whatever you want to create. Then I'm going to go ahead and merge those again, just like I did the other one. This just helps me out with not having a bunch of layers and just putting them all together. I'm going to find one more to do, and this time I'm going to do more of a wallpaper instead of a magazine. I really like this one with the stars, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. And I'm going to copy and paste. You can always use Control C and V. Then I'm going to fix the sizing. Merging them again. And now I'm going to save a picture of my avatar, or you can right click your avatar when you go to your profile and there should be a copy image option. You're gonna want to do that, and then you can Control V it into your Pixlr. Now I'm gonna just fix the sizing and then I'm gonna make it look good. Make sure you can really put the avatar wherever you want, whatever looks good to you. Now, to get the closed eyes space, I have bought these face mods. I'll link them below so you can get them. They're pretty cheap. And then I just equip them, but I'm just showing you all the mods I use in case you want to use them as well. I have the closed eyes eyelashes as well. So she has eyelashes. Then I'm just gonna move it so you could see it, and then I'm gonna take off my lashes for my other, so you can't see those, but you can see the ones I just put on. Now I'm going to copy image again, and I'm going to add it to my Pixlr. Then just size it the same way, however you want. Then I'm just checking to make sure it looks good. Now I'm gonna save, and I like to create multiple if I'm gonna do multiple designs just on one, because then I could just use the same faces and it's just easier for me to go ahead and just save all of them at once. And I do save 2 of each, so I'm gonna save one showing the open eyes, and then I'm gonna save one showing the closed eyes. But make sure you hide the one you're not using so you don't see it in the background. So like, for example, if you're using the closed eyes, hide the open eyes so you don't see it, because it'll still show behind your avatar. It just tends to look better that way, but you can always do whatever you want. Now I'm gonna go to easygif.com and I'm gonna create the GIFs or GIFs or whatever the hell they're called. And you could change the delay time, which makes it slower, or you could keep it the same. I like it slower so you can see more of the blinking. When you save that, you're gonna wanna upload it to jiffyu.com, because if you don't, it'll delete after like, I think 20 minutes or an hour. So make sure you go on this website and do that. And I am going ahead and doing them all at once because I just prefer that way. It's easier for me to go ahead and get them all done at once. Then I have multiple projects I worked on at the same time. Mind you, all of these GIFs are a little faster because I did speed up the video. So the blinking isn't as fast in person. I'm just showing you how to add it to a post real quick on Everskies. So you're going to want to create a post, and then you could go to add image, and then you can copy the image URL. So when you went to jiffyu.com, you're going to copy the image address, and then you can paste it there. When you copy an image address and you want to make it your form signature, you're going to need to shorten it, because if not, it won't allow you if the link is too long. So you're going to want to go on tinyurl.com, and you're going to want to create a shorter link or URL. Then you want to go to settings, and then you're going to click website, and then you're going to type exclamation point, and then you're going to have those symbols and then the parentheses, and then you're going to put your link in the parentheses. I'll also put this in the video so you know what to type. And then if you want it centered, just type, I don't know what those symbols are called, and then period, and then T-center. Or you can just hit the text alignment symbol, and then it should have a center option, and you could center it or put it however you want. And make sure when you put your link there, it's the shortened link, or it won't allow it. I'm showing you a few different websites where you could get GIFs from. You could get GIFs from bloggif.com, and you can create your own type of text GIF, or, well, actually, really, you could do any GIFs on here. Right? And then you can also go to deviantart.com, I think is how you pronounce it, and you can search up any GIF you want. So if you just want like a lace GIF real quick, or I don't even know. I don't really use that website for purpose unless I'm like creating a background. I'll sometimes use it in Pixlr as a background, but that's pretty much it. You can also get borders from that website and frames, but I typically just search on Google and I do the advanced search and I click transparent, and whatever image I want, I type it. And then normally it'll only pop up the transparent images. That's kind of what I do to get transparent images. Because sometimes I have a hard time finding transparent images on any other things like Pinterest. Most of the transparent images that pop up on there aren't transparent, and that makes me so mad. I'm so sorry if you can hear my cat in the background. So I'm just shortening the link just to show you different GIFs you can use. I'm going to show you the one from DeviantArt.com. I don't really like this because it's not going to size properly, but I'm just showing you. And then you could also use Cute Kawaii Resources, whatever that website is, for dividers. Or if you want to use that as your signature too. And you just do the same thing. Now I'm showing you where to get fonts if you want to add like your name in a certain font. You're gonna want to use PixArt and I use PixArt and defont.com. Then click that and then it'll open up your files folder. And when you click the zip, you're gonna have to unzip the file. Once you click the zipped version of the file, it's gonna download another file. You're gonna want to go into the folder, whatever file that says TTF at the end. You're gonna want to click that, and then you're gonna click the bottom left. There's gonna be a little, I don't even know what that symbol is. You're gonna click that, and then you're gonna go to Fonto. Click Fonto. If it's not in there, you can just scroll all the way and then click, I think there's like more apps option or something like that. You're gonna click that, and then you're gonna just scroll down till you see Fonto and click that. And then you're gonna add to Fonto. I already had a project saved, so that's what the font looks like. And I'm just showing you, you just click. It'll be blank when you open it, most likely, unless you're already on a project. You're gonna click it and it's gonna say add text. Then you just add the text and change the font to whatever you downloaded or whatever you want. I'm gonna go on to PixArt and I'm gonna add whatever stickers I want. And yeah. Then I'm just showing y'all projects I already had saved with stickers just to make it faster. Just so y'all see what I'm saying. I'll add one sticker just so y'all can see. I like doing this on the PixArt app on my phone, because on my computer, when I open up PixArt, it doesn't allow me to put a border around the stickers. So I prefer to use PixArt on the phone for that reason. I like the border around the stickers, but you could still use PixArt on your computer, or vice versa. All the websites I showed you can be used on your phone as well if you don't have a computer and you play Everskies Mobile. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below, and see you later. Bye! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.